Hello there guys, hope you're having a great day. This is 2333 here with Simplex 4010 System Test 3. So once again, I'm in the same spot because the 3030 is still up there. And yes, it is an alarm. I was using it for strobes. Anyways, so back to the 4010. It has the same battery trouble as the Quick Start had. Yeah. Until I get more batteries, that's going to be kind of a theme for most of my panels. Anyway, so today we're looking at a theme from an arena I went 2 years ago that I think had a really interesting system. This was called the Drumheller Memorial Arena in Drumheller, Alberta, and it had the same devices as shown here. Panel was a Simplex 4010, and it was set up in a fully conventional manner. So it had pull stations like this, the Mirrortone 73303, tied to these same monitor modules, the 4090 9001. And then for smokes, it had system sensor i3 C2WBAs. This isn't hooked up, this is just sitting here because I don't have a smoke detector interface module for Simplex yet. But yeah, that's just, for demonstration. And for the notification appliances, you probably already saw it. They were Edwards Integrities. Yep, kind of a weird setup, but hey, it worked. So this particular one is a 757 7AT enhanced model from, I believe, 2006. And it works great. It's loud, and it's set on code 3 low volume, because these things are fucking loud. Alright, without further ado, let's do this. Alright, I'll rip the tape off the piezo. Alright, here goes. Let's acknowledge. Alright, silence that. And as you can see, I kind of labeled the pull stations similar to how they'd be in the building. I don't know why it does that. It does a weird click after power is taken out. Alright, so now let's hit the other pull. Here goes. Now, just to show you how loud this is, I'm going to go into my room. Sneak peek. So we're in my room. Still pretty loud. Alright, here goes. There's the 3030 in all its glory. Alright, here goes. Silence. Alright, and this is known as Dragons Dressing Room Hallway, because the Dragons are the Alberta Junior Hockey League team that plays in that arena. Now for resetting these, I'm going to have to lean the camera up against here. So fingers crossed you guys can see it. Alright, this better not realarm, I swear to God. Come on! There. Pop that back in. And now I'm going to show you guys a design flaw of these. Now, Simplex has, as you may know, realarm, so if you were to pull this again, it would go into alarm again. But I'm going to show you why these were discontinued. So I'm going to pull it about that little further. See, trips, but the latch didn't disengage. As you can see, I didn't even have to reset it. It literally just sprung back. Yeah, these pull stations are... Shut up! These pulls are pretty flawed. But anyways, let's give her a reset. I hate Simplex's reset times. They're way too long. Hurry up, reset! Reset! Thank you. See, sometimes yelling at panels does work. Alright, I think that should do us for today. And you know what? Screw it. I'm pulling this. Alright. Thank you for watching, and have a great day!